Hello once again. This is the final recording or videocast. The previous one we were not able to complete it because of the capacity needed to be moved on the WhatsApp platform. So basically we looked at the different. We have been able to see that we can be able to have queries, and under queries we have seen that we in the design view here that we can get queries that begin with certain values. Where we here we said we like, and we have something like ends with. That means you can put a star and an S, then it will only give you values. When you double click here, only values that ends with S. But if you want, for example, to look for like I want to give me records with the second character. If I want the first character to be a certain value, I will put that value, and then starting with a B. If I say B and a star, then it will give me those characters starting with B. So when I double click on Lydia, it will give me those that starts with B. But if I want characters, all product names with the second letter, so I'll put question mark, second letter E. So I put a question mark and I put a star, then I can be able to get all products with the second letter E. So that means if I want the third letter to be A in the design view, then I will put two question marks. And then I put okay, let me just see if the third one is now E. Let's see if we have any with the third one E, so you can be able to see that they are also those with third one E. So that means if you want fourth, fifth, you put question marks. If you have the nth position, you put n-1 number of question marks, so that you can get the next number in that way. Then the other thing that you also need to get keen on is, for example, if you're dealing with numbers, here unlike text you're using like, you put the word like. But if you want quantities, for example here, and I say I want all products, all transactions with the more than 10, with the unit price of more than 10, greater than 10, then I can double click. It will give me only those with quantity greater than 10. If I want quantity greater than maybe say greater than 19, for example, let me just do that design, and I say greater than 19. That means unit price greater than 19. So when I want to get unit price greater than 19, I'll find that I'll get only those ones whose unit price is greater than 19. Yes, so that's what we do, and we shall be able to get those unit price as required. So what we so if you want to go back to the design view, you can also be able to do double stuff, where you say I want those with the third letter E. For example, I say like, and I put that, I put two question marks and put E and put a star and then close that. That means you're doing a two double system, that you want those that are more than 10, in price more than 10, but at the same time you want those with the third name being E. So you're doing the same. It's an AND, so both of them must be true. So when you double click on this, it will be able to give you that. So the unit prices are more than 10, and also the product names are the third character is E. So that's how you can be able to get these values. So this is how we can be able to do this. But you can try out as many examples, any questions, see question papers, try them out, and if you get some challenges, you can get back to me, or you can ask someone, so that you can be able to know exactly how that can be solved. Because You can also be asked to compute NSSF, and NSSF, is 5% of the salary. So there might be amount. Don't expect that it always going to be in price and quantity, but the values might be differently. So you should do. I am hoping that you'll be able to enjoy using these videos and you learn a lot from them. Have a nice day.